Hi folks, welcome to 22nd video of this series, that is implementing variable length argument in Python. First I am defining average function here. Inside average function I given asterisk t. This represent the tuple. It can store as much as it can. Then I am assigning average, that is sum of tuple divided by length of tuple, to the average variable. Then I am returning average value. Here result 1 is equal to average of 32, 5, I assigned some elements here. Then for result 2 also assigned some values here. It will print the average of those values as average. First result 1 average as 38, and we got result 2 average as 27.5. Then here second program is key value argument. We defined a function average with key value argument, that is values is equal to list of key value argument dot values. And here I am doing the same thing that I did in previous program, and returning average here. Here we difference is I am assigning key value with pair. As you know, maybe if you know dictionary, you understand this better. It can store like dictionary key value with number 1 is equal to 32, like that. Value 1 is equal to 5. Here it will store key value and pair. Then it will print the average, printing average here, that is 38 and 27.5. So thank you for watching.